Guys, so today we're going to be learning about how to find the volume of rectangular and triangular prisms. Okay, so we're going to be learning two today. So if you remember anything from grade 5 about volume, volume is just, okay, so it's just the amount of space an object takes up. So today we're going to find out how much space is filled up in this cuboid and inside this triangular prism. Okay? So go ahead and grab your notebook and pencil. We are going to be starting with what volume is. So as I told you, it's just the space, the amount of space it takes up. All right, so when we were doing the past 2 days, we did surface area, and we always ended it with square units, like centimeters square, inches square, right? But now that we're doing volume, we're not using square anymore. We're using cubic units, meaning 3. Okay, so for example, for the rectangle, we had 45 centimeters square because it was 5 times 9, right? When we're doing cubic units, we're going to be putting the number 3 to represent cubic units. So that is because we multiplied 3 numbers, so 5 times 3 times 3. Okay, so again, volume, we're going to end with cubic units. So let's start with our formula. Our formula is super simple, guys. We're just taking the 3 dimensions and multiplying them. Length times width times height, and that is all. Okay, so let's get some dimensions here. We have 5, 3, and 10. All you have to do is find the area of the base, which is 10 times 3, and then multiply that by 5 bloop, 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 to fill up this entire rectangular prism. Okay, and that is all. So let's fill that in. 10 times 3 times 5. 10 times 3 is 30, times 5 is 150 centimeters cubed. Okay, guys, it's really simple. Okay, so that is all for rectangular prisms. Number 2, we're going to imagine I'm in the kitchen and I have a block of meat and I just slice it in half. Shing! Okay, so looking at the block of meat, what polyhedron does it make when you cut it in half? Okay, good. It makes a triangular prism. So what we just did is we just divided it by 2. And that is all you have to remember about a triangular prism. If you cut a rectangular prism in half, or divide by 2, it makes a triangular prism. Okay, so the formula for a triangular prism is just length times width times height divided by 2. Okay, and that means divided by 2. So let's fill that in. We have 5 times 3 times 10, which is 150 centimeters cubed, divided by 2. So 150 divided by 2 is 75 centimeters cubed. And that is all, guys. That is how you find the volume of both rectangular and triangular prisms. Okay, so our homework today is 11.4. It is due today, so let's just go over that here. So this is your homework. You have 8 problems, real simple. So again, you're just multiplying all 3 dimensions. So 3 times 3 times 13. 6 times 6 times 6. 14 times 5 times 1, okay? Then for these, you're just multiplying them and dividing by 2. So 4 times 2 times 12 divided by 2. 6 times 3 times 2 divided by 2. All right, so when you guys are solving, I need to see you guys using this formula properly. I don't just want to see, um, like for example, your name and then you answer. Let's just pretend you write your answers, right? Okay, so I don't want to see on your homework number 1, volume equals 117 meters cubed. You have to make sure you're showing your work and figuring out and showing me how you solve it. Okay, so again, you can use your calculator to check your answers, but be sure that when you're done answering this, your work has your formula and the correct dimensions. Okay, so that is all for today, guys. Message me if you need any help, and I am here any time of the day, except for after, late nights. Okay, bye, guys.